Hello, I'm Dr. Kellie Alston, and welcome to the Wire Writers Workshop, where I encourage you to be mindfully healthy as you impact higher education. This is our fourth Write With Me session, and I am so grateful that you have decided to spend this time with me. I hope that your week has been overflowing with love, joy, and peace. Today, we are going on a journey of self-discovery as we focus on the fourth prompt in the Professor's Week in Review, a journal for weekly reflections on the higher ed experience that I created just for you. This prompt asks, what did you learn about yourself this week? Oh, how I love this prompt because it challenges us to deepen our understanding of ourselves. Let's be honest. How many times have we asked ourselves this question and then taken the time to write our answers in our journal? And then gone a step further and processed what we wrote? Well, today is a good day to start. Being a human is a journey of ongoing development filled with challenges, setbacks, triumphs, interests, likes, dislikes, mistakes, things that rub us the wrong way and things that rub us just right. And so it is through this prompt each and every week that you can pause, acknowledge how you are changing in some areas, and acknowledge how you may be remaining the same in others. Jack Mezirow, an American sociologist who is known for transforming the field of adult learning, developed the transformative learning theory, which is also known as the transformational learning theory. Now, he developed this theory after working with adult women who returned to formal education by attending community college way back in the 1970s. His research led to his delineation of 10 phases of transformative learning. Now, we won't get into those 10 phases here, but if you are interested in what they are, I have provided the info in the description box. Well, this theory posits that changes to viewpoints, expectations, and assumptions occur after a transformative experience or situation. But the primary thing that I want to share here that particularly connects this prompt and this guided journal in general to this theory is that transformative learning is the expansion of consciousness through which an individual can question themselves about their own feelings, beliefs, assumptions, and perspective on their purpose. It makes me think about when I took philosophy at Winston-Salem State, and Dr. Okanta was my professor, and he would always say, but why? When we would say what we believed, and he would say, but why? And I remember him making a young lady cry basically in class because she said, well, that's what my grandma and my mama taught me. He said, but you're 18. You're an adult. What do you believe for yourself and why? So we are gathered here today to question ourselves about those very things, and the goal is to commit to doing so on a weekly basis. The good news is that as we undergo this transformative process, we will find ourselves more self-motivated, self-governing, rational, and empathetic. Gradually, we will find ourselves noticing things that we may have taken for granted or not being quite aware of in the past. As a result, we can make conscious decisions about those things. You see, I am sharing this information with you because I am one who thrives on strategies. I do not enjoy generalities. Oftentimes we're told that we need to, do something, but we're not told how to do it and how it will benefit us over time. When we come together for these prompts, I want you to understand why reflecting on this particular point is a powerful strategy that leads to transformation and encourages mindfulness. If you've been watching my Reflecting to Power through Higher Education series, you may remember that mindfulness is a type of meditation in which you focus on being intensely aware of what you are sensing and feeling in the moment without interpretation or judgment. Now, before we reflect on what we learned about ourselves this past week, I want to share some sub-prompts from my journal entries that may get the juices flowing. Take a few minutes to read them and jot down any that draw you in, as you may want to use them today. And so let me just warn you that there are 21 prompts on the list, but I'm going to share 7 at a time. Can you tell that 7 is my favorite number? It was my volleyball jersey number every single year, 9th through 12th grade. But I digressed. Here are the prompts. I hope you found those helpful. As you reflect, consider your needs, wants, realizations, and epiphanies. You may not like what you used to like. You may not need what you used to need. And you may not desire what you used to desire. And that's perfectly fine. Now, let's do what we came to do, and that is reflect and write about this past week. Grab your journal or open the fillable PDF version on your device. Take a deep breath. And now, the prompt is, what did you learn about yourself this week? The timer is set for 7 minutes. Let's write. Ooh-wee. So was this session heavy or light? It can be hard to put on paper our deepest and truest thoughts regarding the lessons that we learn about ourselves. But the more we do it, the easier it will become. Remember, if you need more time, keep writing until you empty all of your thoughts on the page. These sessions are here to support you in the process and encourage you to make this a weekly practice. So take as long as you need to take. Well, thank you for writing with me for the 4th session of the Wire Writers Workshop. Let this video be a companion as you reflect on the lessons you are learning about yourself each week. If you have not done so, order your journal today at bit.ly The Wire Journal or download it at bit.ly The Fillable Wire. You can also click any of the links in the description. Remember to share, comment, like, and subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this process. Until next time, continue to make it a mindful semester. Bye-bye.